Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss about clinical sign in liver cirrhosis patient, and at the end of this video I will show some of the sign on patient. Friend, liver cirrhosis or alcoholic liver disease is most common case in final year exam, and Viva question we must know is sign of liver cirrhosis. For easy remembering of this sign, I will tell you in sequence from head to down. As we see patient's eyes first, we see yellow eyes, that is icterus, and we have to demonstrate this icterus by looking into bulbar conjunctiva while patient is looking down, and we have to retract the upper eyelid of the patient. While looking into icterus, we come to know that patient mouth smell bad. It is called fetor hepaticus. After that, we have to look for the parotid gland of the patient, and in this patient the parotid gland is enlarged. Next, we have to see neck and chest area of the patient, and we see some reddish spot called spider nevi. In male patient, there is gynecomastia. This is due to excess estrogen in this patient. And female patient, there is atrophy of the breast, and due to excess estrogen in male patient there is also atrophy of the testes. And female patient give the history of irregular menses due to this extra estrogen. By carefully looking, we come to know that male pattern hair in the patient also is lost. Then we see the abdomen of the patient, and in this patient we see there is abdominal swelling due to ascites, and in some patient we see caput medusae. This is dilation of the vein which is away from the umbilicus. Now we have to see hand of the patient. We can see flapping tremor in the hand of the patient. For demonstrating this, we have to extend the wrist joint of the patient and see the tremor. At the distal point of the finger, we see clubbing in the hand of the patient, and after looking nail of the patient, the nail of patient are white. It is also called terry nail. This is due to hypoalbuminemia. After see palm of the patient, we come to know that the patient's palm is slightly reddish. It is called palmar erythema, and some patients show Dupuytren contracture. If we observe the body of the patient, we see lots of bruises on the patient's body, and erosion on the patient body due to pruritus, which is caused by elevated bile acid. Now let's see spider nevi. This is also called spider telangiectasia. It have central arteriole, and from it radiate peripheral capillaries. So it look like a spider. When we press it, it get blanched, and when we release the pressure, it fill from the center to periphery. It mostly seen in head, neck and upper chest and hand area. The size of spider nevi varies from pinhead to 0.5 mm. They are also seen in pregnancy and patient of rheumatoid condition, and also some endocrine conditions.